In this tutorial video, we'll show you how to set up and use your new ROPOT-Travel reverse osmosis drinking water system. The package includes an RO water system with a 5-in-1 filter assembled, a water tank, a high borosilicate glass journal bottle, a user guide, a cleaning tool, a set of journal bottle stickers, and a filter wrench. If you have any questions about the setup or the product you have received, please feel free to reach out to us. As a portable purifying device, the ROPOT-Travel system does not require any installation and can simply be placed anywhere near the power outlet. For the first-time use, please wash the water tank and journal bottle before turning on the system. Plug the power cord into an outlet. Next, fill the water tank to the max volume line and place it back onto the system. Make sure your journal bottle and water tank are stably placed. Touch the water-making button to start the flushing. The outer ring flashes to indicate that the flushing is in progress. Pour out the water left in the water tank and journal bottle after completing a flushing cycle. Repeat the flushing 3 times to rinse out the protective liquid and activated carbon particles in the filter. Please be aware that the water is not drinkable during the flushing process. The water-making button unlocks after 3 flushing cycles. Please fill the water tank to the maximum line and place it back onto the water tank base. Make sure your journal bottle and water tank are stably placed. Touch the water-making button. The system will start filtering and produce 18 ounces of pure water into your journal bottle. If you need more water, touch the button again to start filtration. Finally, to extend service life and maintenance intervals, please do discard the RO reject water when the system beeps 2 times and the water level drops below the dotted line. Make your exclusive journal bottle with the included stickers and let your creativity flow. Or chill your bottle in the fridge for refreshing cold water. Everything is ready! Let's hydrate in your style and take charge of your health with ROPOT-Travel.